Hello there! So, after 15 years we finally got a new Mario Strikers. And like the two previous entries, this one features Super Strikes, or Hyper Strikes as they are called in this game. So, how do you pull one off? How do you execute a Hyper Strike? Well, things are a bit different this time. There are three important points. First, you need to work through this quick time event. You have a white bar sweeping through and you need to stop it in the blue areas. That requires two correctly timed button presses. Secondly, unlike previous games, everyone in your team can initiate a Hyper Strike, so you can take advantage of the position of any of your players at any time, but you still need to be in the opponent's half of the field. Finally, and that's very important, you cannot initiate a Hyper Strike whenever you want. You first need to pick up one of these orbs. After picking one up, your team has 20 seconds to try and shoot a Hyper Strike. So that's the basics. But in reality you need a bit more than that to correctly pull one off. Because if you just try and go for a strike after picking up an orb, your opponent is going to break your neck. Indeed, when you are charging up for a Hyper Strike, you are very vulnerable. Therefore, it is very important to clear up opponents around you before you shoot. How do you do that? First option is simply to pass the ball to a player that has no opponent nearby. Second option, if the field is not cleared up, is to use items. You can store up to 2 items, don't be afraid to burn through them to build up your safe space. Additionally, if you're playing in co-op, you can have your friend break the spines of opponents that get too close. Do all of that and you will have a comfortable space to shoot your Hyper Strikes. Remember, they reward 2 points. They can change the course of a match. They are very valuable. So, that's it for me. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe. You can also check out my Twitch channel where I'm streaming Battle League myself. Thank you very much for watching.